Ashamed to show you gals the plastic crap I used to hide. So then I found this little book with all the matching things inside. And I'm happy to report that I found my Tupperware pride. Now you see me, sure got fun. I travel farm to farm and sometimes for a little city run. I sure have changed my barnyard life. Now it's made my life complete. Now I'm selling Tupperware and that makes it really sweet. Come on now, girls, buy lots of stuff and give me more time from the chores and make my milking hands so rough. Don't know what happened, but I somehow came to see that I'm organized and richer by this opportunity. Oh, Tupperware, he gave me so much more than John Deere could, and I'm a faithful wife. So when I come in from the fields and climb down off that big John Deere, I'll fix a fast and easy supper that's made in my Tupperware. Hey, hey, hee-haw!
Woohoo!
It took a little time to learn, but how it warms my heart about the lifetime guarantee that comes with plastic parts. Save some money for you folks by showing you an easy fix and how to microwave your meal. And some economic tips, now you see me. Somebody new. I'm not that chained up little wife who did chores for two. And so you happen to drop in to catch this demo by a girl who changed her life for good by giving Tupperware a whirl. Come on now, girl, buy lots of stuff and give me more time from the chores that make my milking hands so rough. Don't know what happened, but I somehow came to see that I'm organized and richer by this opportunity. Hey, hey. Just dough and alamanda. I'm gonna demonstrate the quick shot. Once on top is 4 inside. Sounds like something I used to ride. No, really. It has attachments. A whipping blade. Woo! Hee-haw! Swing your park your round and round. Fire Tupperware, she'll never be down. John Deere, come on. Now let's get started.
Oh, beautiful.
I love doing that song. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it! I get that reaction every time. So.